Hi Explorers. Our journey continues to the refreshing haven of melons. These delightful fruits are like juicy oases, perfect for quenching your thirst on a sunny day. They include cantaloupe, honeydew, watermelon, Gallia melon, and Crenshaw melon. Hi Explorers. Our journey continues to the refreshing haven of melons. These delightful fruits are like juicy.
Meet cantaloupe, the orange superstar of the melon family. With its sweet and succulent flesh, cantaloupe is like a juicy slice of sunshine, ready to brighten up your day. Say hello to honeydew, the pale green charmer. With its subtle sweetness and crisp texture, honeydew is like a refreshing breeze, bringing cool and soothing vibes to the fruity feast. Introducing watermelon, the ultimate summer friend. With its vibrant red interior and thirst-quenching juiciness, watermelon is like a juicy pool party for your taste buds, making every bite a splash of fruity delight. Meet Gallia melon, the exotic beauty of the melon family. With its nutted rind and sweet aroma, Gallia melon is like a tropical getaway, inviting you to savor its unique and delicious taste. Say hi to Crenshaw melon, the melon with a golden touch. With its bright orange hue and luscious flavor, Crenshaw melon is like a sweet melody, turning snack time into a fruity symphony of taste.